Hi, welcome to Part of His Business Campaign. This is Module 1, Video 3, titled Business Model Canvas. In this video, we're going to be talking about the essential things you need to know to start up your business. And this include the problem, value proposition, target market, channels, customer retention, cost structure, key activities, key resources, revenue model, and the competition. If this is your first time watching this video, you're welcome. Kindly give a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to our channel. Let's go. Number 1, the problem. The core of any business is solving a problem. So therefore, to start up a new business, the most important thing that you need to do is to identify a problem that you are able to solve. This problem must be something people are motivated enough to pay for. Let's take the Uber company for an example. They solve two major problems. Number 1, transportation. Number 2, convenience. So these are problems people are willing to pay for. Therefore, before starting a business, identify the problem your business will be solving. We'll be looking deeply into the Uber company example later on in this video. Number 2, value proposition. Value proposition is the benefits your goods or service will bring to the customer. Customers only buy your products or request your service for their own benefits only, not for how good your business is. So what is that extra value your business will bring to the consumer? Alright, so now let's look at the Uber company as an example again. So they were already taxis as a means of transportation before Uber came in, right? So the extra value Uber brought to the market was that they brought in convenience. Alright, you can order a ride from an app on your phone at any time. You can have the rider pick you up at your location. You can have some privacy by being in the car alone, and then you can have some air conditioning which you may not be able to get in a public taxi. So you can see that the value proposition of Uber was majorly convenience. Number 3, target market. The target market for your business are the set of people your business is best suited for. Sometimes you can have a primary, secondary, and a tertiary audience or target market. So the only way to have a good marketing strategy for your business is to know who your customers are and to know their habits. Let's look at an example. Assume you sell classic shoes like this one, and you're trying to look at who your target audience will be. Number 1, they have to be men, of course. Then they have to be men who have a job, right? And they have to be men whose salary is at least 3 times the price of this shoe for you to be able to get buyers easily. So this is your target market, and this is what we mean by target market. So you have to be able to properly define who your target market are for your products. Number 4, channels. This is the medium by which you plan to reach your target market. It is important to reach your consumers through the medium by which they want to be reached, and not by the medium you think they want to be reached. This is where researching your audience plays a big role. Let's look at an example. For instance, if you run a restaurant business around students, they will most likely prefer you include a means of home delivery in your service due to their ultimate willingness to pay for convenience. So you think they want to come physically to your restaurant, whereby they just want to order so that you can get the food to them across at home. So you have to know what your audience really wants. Number 5, customer retention. This is very important to plan out before you begin a business. It's the means by which you plan to keep your customers with you. Examples include running promotions. For instance, you can just run promotions for your business, give out gifts, give out certain commissions for achieving certain goals. So these are promotions that can encourage and make your customers stick with you. Then you can remember their birthdays and send them special greetings on their birthdays. You can send them helpful tips probably for their business or for something that is important to your consumers. And then you can do regular checkups on your consumers. This makes them feel important and makes them stay longer with you. Number 6, cost structure. This is the amount it will cost you to start your business. There are two types of costs. Number 1, fixed cost. Number 2, operating cost. Let's look at fixed cost. This is the amount it will cost to get fixed assets for your business, which means things you don't have to buy regularly. An example is if you run a barbing salon, your fixed assets will be your clipper, barbing chair, mirror, and other things that you only have to buy once. Meanwhile, the operating cost is the amount it will cost to keep your business running on a daily or monthly basis. An example includes the cost of buying fuel, the cost of getting hair accessories used after barbing, and so on. So it's important to outline these costs separately. Your ideal startup capital is actually your fixed cost plus your operating cost for 6 months, because it is assumed that your business needs 6 months to become stable. Number 7, key activities. These are the essential activities you need to do regularly to keep your value proposition in place. The key activities for the Uber company, for example, would be to keep the app running, to constantly fix any app errors, to ensure customer satisfaction, to monitor their drivers. So, what are the key activities for your own business? Let's look at number 8, which is key resources. These are the other resources that you need to start your business aside money. Alright, example include human resources such as employees and intellectual resources such as expertise. Right. Let's look at number 9, revenue model. This is the stream by which money comes into your business as profit. You need to outline the following things. What value is your customer paying for? Then how are they going to pay? Are they going to pay with their card? Are they going to pay with cash? Or what other means of payment are they going to pay with? Then at what point are they going to pay? Are you going to give them a free trial before they pay? Are they going to pay immediately? You need to be able to outline these things before you start your business. Number 10, competition. For whatever business you are going to be doing, there's most likely a competition somewhere already. So you need to know your competitors and what they are doing so that you can know how to position your good and or services very well. We're going to talk more about this in Module 1, Video 7. So question of the day. What is the value proposition for your business? I want you to think about it and write it or type it in the comment section. What is the value proposition for your business? Now, thank you for watching this video. Up next is the video on what business should I start, or what business should you start. Please do not miss this video. It's going to be amazing. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to like this video. Also, share this video with your friends so they can enjoy this awesome teaching.